Okay, so this is part 2 of the unboxing video for iPod Touch 4th Gen. This part is about showing you what it's like after you set it all up. There's my picture. And then you got a passcode, put it down. There's one page of my apps. Another one, and there. That's what the iPod looks like once you start just without the entertainment app that's up there. I put a few games under there. Yeah. So, I will show you how good the quality is for the camera. For now, I'm just recording the screen. And now I will switch cameras. Look at that. On quality. Now I'll change to another camera. So it's facing me. So, it's really good quality. You can take pictures and record video, and also, of course, FaceTime. I don't want to show you that because I have my phone number on it, but if you want to FaceTime me, do put down BraydenIpodhelp at hotmail.com. Add me on FaceTime, so you can do FaceTime. Obviously, I just said FaceTime like a million times. Yeah. Now I'll show you the speakers. Like they'll go on Talking Tom. Hello.
Hello.
Not sure if you can hear that.
Not sure if you can hear that.
Just a second. Okay. So that's it. And no, shut up. So yeah. Yep, and the good thing about this is that you can group up your apps. That's really good. So I'll also do another little sound check thingy for you. Force Unleashed. Yeah, so that's another really cool app for it. I might be doing a few app reviews in a little while. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and rate.